The improved feeding practices for the first 1,000 days is a nutrition agriculture-based project which seeks to improve feeding practices and household nutrition among women and children under 2 years. The project, which is fully funded by the World Bank and the government of Japan through the Japan Social Development Fund, is expected to improve the feeding practices of 5,520 women as well as 4,900 children under 2 years. A major component of the project is to ensure the improvement of household-level agriculture. World Vision Ghana, in partnership with the Ministry of Food and Agriculture, builds the capacity of farmers in the production of orange-fleshed sweet potatoes.
One of the major components of this particular project has to do with improving household-level agriculture. And in this regard, we have trained so far 1,050 farmers across the 3 districts in which the project is being undertaken.
After the training, we guided the farmers in the preparation of the land. Then we also assisted in the acquisition of the planting materials, the planting, and then also supervised various agricultural activities such as the lifting of the vines, also the control of pests and diseases, and then also other activities.
And it just say, "Womo edikanya brayen abrojo no. Womo chere ye kwan ye befa so abo enkofie no. Ayiyi abo ni ehini bie wom. Kwan ya ye betete ntamu. Na kwan ya ye dua abrojo na nkasa nso a
One particular reason why the OFSP was chosen is mainly because it's a biofortified crop, which is fortified with vitamin A, a vital micronutrient for children under 2 years. It's one of the major micronutrient deficiencies that children suffer within our communities among children under 2 years. We have also set up a demonstration farm in collaboration with the District Agric Office. And this is being spearheaded and managed by the department that handles crops. And so the crops officer has been very instrumental in setting up this demonstration farm.
We are doing this to make sure as a steady plot, so that the farmers can come from their community. Those who are not in tune with what they have been taught can come and also study here, can come and learn from here. Secondly, we are also establishing it as a means of getting the planting materials so that we can multiply them and then give to the farmers who may need them.
In terms of addressing a lack of market access issues, we are introducing utilization of the produce, and so we are working towards ensuring that when the time of harvest comes, we will introduce that training in collaboration with some of our key stakeholders, especially the Ministry of Agric and then the Ghana Health Service.
Farmers have also undergone extensive training to equip them in the rearing of fowls. In addition to the birds, they have been supported with feed and zinc sheets. It is expected that in few weeks, the fowls will start producing eggs, and those eggs will be added to the diet of children to improve their nutrition.
Each farmer will get at least 20 fowls or birds, which are so small, and they will rear them. And World Vision is going to support them with what? The structure. If they do not have the material, they will put up the structure, and then World Vision will provide the roofing materials, that is the wood and the zinc, and they'll put it. And then for the first few months, feed and then vaccination, all that will be given to them in case the birds are sick, they can get treated.
Na se yere nkokɔ no a yebenya nkosua afiri nkokɔ no mu na ye yerenom ene ye manom benya nkosua ne bi adi na se yedi nso na se eso ya ye beboa ma ya ton bi
na yanya sika eso e de ato ya botom oma bre nkokɔ na apart from nkokɔ na chi no omo esan de nuro e kan ho a ye de bo nkokɔ no ho ban ono chi omo san de fi nkokɔ na dua ne so san kan ho e de breye